How you doing, guys? Another track video update. Don't mind me, just drink my tea. We're just got a bit of the cooling system done. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these videos. It's been quite a while actually, because I've been a bit slack. I'm not gonna lie. But now kind of a bit remotivated because of some people. I really want to see this thing race, so that's where we are. We're making a dump pipe at the moment. We're just that light is very annoying. What do you call it? Tape tigging, maybe. Is it a thing? Could be. That's what we're up to. Just mocking up this dump pipe. That's where we're at. I might weld it up, or get me mate to weld it up, because I am not that confident of something of this high quality. But I'll make the pipe next to it. But that's where we're at the moment. Got the dump pipe down. Bit of it, still got a bit more to go. I don't think it was straight, but it's 3.5 inch. But yeah, that's where we're at the moment. Yeah, not a lot of room, but there's enough room. But there's not enough room. I shouldn't have 3.5 inch on this turbo setup for this 3576 that we're gonna run these days now. That looks like a good angle down there. But I say so myself, I think. Maybe. That's not too bad. So yeah, don't mind me coughing, I'm just slowly dying, as we all are. But yeah, that's where we're at. It's not looking too bad overall. That is an NB radiator, which I've just TIG some -24 ends on it, because and a 90, because I'm too lazy to actually buy a new radiator. So I said fuck it, and it welded like shit, because you cannot weld coolant, and that sucks. But oh well, never again. It's 3.5 inch flex. I'm just trying to work out which intercooler run that one, which made 300 kilo one just fine, or in that 100 mil thick one. Yeah, I don't know yet which one yet, but that would be a lot more lag than that one, because that probably is double the volume than that. But anyway, don't mind me dying. So that's where we're at. So we get that. I'll lift it up, have a quick look, see where we are. Oh. But yeah, kind of busy with work at the moment, you know. But overall, I do want to get this car running this year, hopefully, maybe next year, early next year. But all coming down to time and money, and money's actually getting a bit harder to make these days. They don't grow on trees anymore, to be honest. But yeah, it's get rag. That's where we're at the dump pipe at the moment. Probably needs a bit of straight. It's not too bad for angle, but well, overall not too bad. Yeah, just well, I mean, just need a couple more braces for this. Brace that up, make a flat floor for it, which is alright. I'm on the spirit level, squaring out my floor angles. Fucking go run my site exhaust through here, maybe through here. I was thinking about going out that way. Big fucking NASCAR spec, fucking big side pipe. Or we'll just go 3.5 inch for the subframe, like a good boy, and come out the back, straight pipe. 3.5 inch all the way, of course. But yeah, that is what we're up to. Yeah, a bit slack videos, man. Fuck, just lost motivation. But yeah, that's where we're at. Trying to get this done. Bit more things. Hopefully, it starts, it runs quite alright. Not gonna lie, sounds pretty good for no exhaust. Hopefully, it's not too loud on the track when it's straight piped. Still gonna put the screamer on it too, and it's not plumb back, so that's gonna be loud as fuck anyway. But yeah, overall, we're getting there. Hopefully, we see it on the road soon. Track. But yeah, hopefully we get this sooner later than done, and try the new 15 by 10s that we got on it as well. Run 275s all around. See how bad it goes with bearing life and that sort of stuff. But that's where we're at. Anyway, catch you next video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you like what I post and that sort of stuff? Please like a comment below if you ask me a few questions, that sort of shit. Maybe I know something you don't know. Maybe not. But hey, peace out.